and running. Team 2169, King Tech, their gear holder tracking that peg as they move in. That's a kind of a sweep mechanism. They can move back and forth to make sure they are perfectly lined up with that peg. Their partners, Team 4188, looks like their auto routine might be a little messed up. They're going in some sweet donuts on the field. They're going to try to get that preloaded gear ready on the peg. They'll let it go. Have a little bit of an issue there, but looks like they're going to reset now. 4272, Red Alliance from Indiana. They're trying to push that 4188 machine out of the way. They're down into the mid zone now. They get released. They hit high gear and streak across the field over to that red airship. That robot is one of the fastest machines here in the state of Indiana. Now 469, they deliver gear to the red ship. They're moving back over to that load station. They get a clean drive all the way across the field. Their partners, 1676, the Plastic Eye Pioneers. They're back over to that red human load station as well. We're trying to get as many gears onto this airship as we can. King Tech now, we're following them, making their way down to the blue human load station. They've got this thing loaded up. They go after that gear on the floor. It's up into that robot and now ready to go make their way back down to the blue airship. They're sneaking past the engineers as they're firing into that high bowler. And a big collision from 4272 against 4188 right here next to that blue airship. Hopefully both those robots come out unscathed. Look like they're both driving around really well. All right, we are off and moving once again. 4272, drifting and streaking their way over around the backside of that red airship. They've got a gear on that center peg, and they are off and ready to go once again. Plastic Eye Pioneers got a robot, got a gear loaded up, and they dive in towards that red airship. They took that defensive line, stalling out 2169 King Tech for a little bit. They make their way into that load station and get the gear back for their alliance partners. 4188, they got that big hit earlier in the match. They're still moving. They're trucking hard across the field. They've got that next gear lined up. It is on the peg and released. Once again, we make our way. 4272 now, playing a little bit of defense. We've got things stalled out, locked down. We've got all three red robots trying to slow down this blue alliance. They know that they've got all four rotors and they are ready to play defense. They are slowing things down. 4272, they're not breaking away. They are less than 15 seconds left to play. King Tech making their way over towards that climbing rope. 4272 grabbing that rope themselves. They're up, and touching for 4272. King Tech, they're able to touch as well. Engineers, they're the last ones up on this field. They make it as well. All six robots grabbing that touchpad. All right, Blue Alliance has it by a few points on the scoreboard. Looks like Fuel was the one that made the difference. All right, final score coming up. We'll see if Blue's able to hold on. And it is the Blue Alliance. Red's defense wasn't able to slow them down quite enough. Blue Alliance 357, Red Alliance 345.